découvrons la divinité de Jésus à travers les interprétations bibliques et les prophéties.
Capable de faire d'autres d'autres personnes qui peut-être apporter émission qui si en plateforme nous pas traduit anglais à bien mais quand même nous voulons faire saisir même là nous pas faire émission en anglais il est vraiment difficile faut que nous t'a fait deux émissions une en français une en anglais mais quand même nous voulons faire comprendre exactement de qui ça émission jeudi à basée et n'a pas un beau titre yo en anglais. Today this is what we're going to talk about. And everybody, everyone understand God differently. And what the question we asking, what do we say about Jesus? What is your understanding of Jesus? And can your understanding of Jesus truly define the divinity of Jesus? Some understand Jesus as a simple man, others as a simple prophet, others as the Messiah, others as the Son of God, and finally, God Himself. Today, we will let the Bible itself help us understand the mystery of God. That is why we are going to study together the mystery of God and these topics. Too much interpretation, too much confusion. Why don't we let the Bible shed the light? The title we'll be talking about today, it may not be today only, maybe next week, because it's a long subject. But the first one is the existence of Jesus. Jesus exists even before his birth on earth. His coming was predicted by the prophet. Title reserved for God alone were given to Jesus. Jesus' DNA, one and only one thing God never shared with anyone. Like I said, one and only one thing God does not share or never share with anyone. And we're also going to talk about the worship that was given to Jesus while he was on earth and still now while he's in heaven. And also we're going to be talking about Jesus is not just a man, because his work testify who he is. And we're going to talk about the holiness of Jesus, because he never sinned. Even his enemy recognize his holiness. And then lastly, we'll be talking about the various name given to Jesus. So, ça c'est tout titre nous pral parler jodi dans émission ça et jodi et nous pas fini jodi et n'a continuer avec même sujet pour l'autre semaine si Dieu veut. Nous pral prendre pause musicale, n'a retourner journaux de quelques minutes.
Quand je regarde ta sainteté et quand je contemple ta beauté, les choses qui m'entourent ne valent plus rien pour moi. Je découvre la joie de te chanter, de déposer ma vie à tes choses qui